Hi, here is a little tutorial on how to use your external webcam with Google Meet. Now, the first step is obviously assembling your webcam. So once it's fully assembled, all you have to do, you have your USB cord. If you need your camera somewhere further in your room or behind so that you can see better the whole class, then you are going to use this little extension cord, and all you have to do is plug your USB there, and then you can plug this one into your computer. But for now, since I don't need it very far from me, I'm going to just plug this cord right into my USB port. So once I have it plugged in, you'll see on the camera that there is a red button, and that means that your power is on and it is ready to go. So then you stick it wherever you would like it to go in your classroom. And then all you have to do is, once I show you, go to your Google Chrome or whichever browser you use, and then you are going to type in meet.google.com. As soon as your Google Meet is up, you'll see these icons in the corner, in the right-hand corner on the top. You're going to click the settings button, and then for your microphone, you are most likely going to have it on your default, which is perfect. And then for your video, you are going to see that it is already on integrated webcam. Now, my integrated webcam is actually being utilized by Screencast-O-Matic right now, so that's why it says camera fit. But what I am going to do is click UVC camera. You may have other options, like if you have an Elmo plugged in or something like that to your computer. So you want to click the UVC camera, and then that will show. You'll get a preview. You can see yourself there, and also, I'm going to make myself big so you can see me again. You will see this green button on the camera. So not only will you have a red power button, but you will see the green one is ready to go for live streaming. So that is all you have to do to connect to Google Meet. Now, if you are not, and then the last step, make sure you do this one, is click done. So once you have that, you click done. Now, let's say you are joining or starting a meeting, and then it says you'll be able to join in just a moment. And let's say your camera, this is my external camera, as you can see, it's being used now. But let's say that didn't work for some reason. And you're using your internal one still. All you have to do is click this button here, and then you go back to the settings. So then you have still your options of your video and your audio. So if that presents a problem, and then once you join, you'll be all set to go. So there is our little tutorial for setting up your external webcam for Google Meet. I hope that helps, and thank you for your time.